Hello, good afternoon. My name is Harrison Moreno Bustos. Uh, the next video from course Strategies Management, Phase 2. The Diamond Supermarket Case Identification Case. The Diamond Supermarket, popular and traditional supermarket in Villa de Leyva, attended and managed by the family. Student name Ever Moreno. Date 17 May 2023. Case Shaiters. Eliezer Pérez, Carlina Rodríguez, parents. Joaquín Pérez Rodríguez, entrepreneur. María Duque, wife, secretary, accountant. Pedro, son, technical, bachelor, supply chain. Ana, daughter, industrial engineering student. Sofía, daughter, agronomía student. Ofelia and Jasmine, training security. Oswaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, and Juan, employee. Problem of the case. Entry of the case, decrease in profit margin, operational inefficiency, case flow deficit, lack of new technologies, poor distribution of infrastructure in warehouse, no payment of nominal responsibilities, no having a master data or suppliers and customer. Fine, thank you.